Dripping taps waste water and stain sinks and bars. And the thing is, you can't just leave them because the problem only gets worse. Fortunately, they're a doddle to fix. Check if there is an isolation ball valve on the pipe under the sink. If there is, turn it off by turning the screw head or handle on the valve so it's at a right angle to the flow of the pipe. A parallel position means on. If the valve isn't there, you'll have to turn off the water supply at the stopcock. You may have two of these, so double check. Once isolated, drain remaining water in the pipe by turning on the tap. Remove the tap head. Undo the headgear nut with an adjustable spanner or pipe grips. If it's tight, protect the tap with a cloth and prevent it from rotating whilst undoing the nut. Remove the headgear assembly. The washer sits in the jumper and is either pressed in place, often over a small button, or retained by a nut. If necessary, unscrew the nut holding the washer in place with an adjustable spanner. Prise out the old washer. Insert a new washer and push it into the jumper. Reassemble the tap in the same way that you took it apart. Turn the isolation ball valve under the sink back on, or the stopcock if required. Test the tap and make sure there are no more leaks. Here's a good tip for when you're doing the work. Pop the plug in, and that way any bits and pieces won't fall down the plug hole. Also, try to have numerous different washer sizes on hand, because different taps obviously require different sizes.